I'm looking at the difference between what is Duallin and the word Duallin.
Well, the difference is, please sit down. In fact, it is very difficult for the non-Arabs to pronounce the word God. It is not the. It is not at all Zol, because when it is transcribed in English phonetics, it is prescribed as DH, which is closer to the sound of Urdu than to the Z sound. So, but it's not D at all, God. With a broader touch of the tongue with the palate. A broader portion of the tongue comes into touch with palate. While when you pronounce dal, it is the tip of the tongue which is touching not teeth exactly, but the area around the teeth. What do you call it? Dento? No. It's a particular name, I don't remember anyway. I mean, it's a tongue. No, palate is behind it. This is the region close to the teeth. Dento, some region is called technically.
Teeth ridge.
Huh?
Teeth ridge.
Teeth ridge, yes. Teeth ridge is closest. The ridge of the teeth. Tongue sometimes that is the ridge of the teeth for pronunciation of certain words, letters. So this is from where dal is pronounced. But for God, it's a broader contact of the tongue with part of the ridge and part of the palate.
Can I come?